Hello and welcome to today's composing tip. We're going to create a short fantasy tension cue and use the planing technique from last week for some elements. Let's hear what we're going to create. The first element I'm going to pop in is some first violin tremolo playing 8th notes, just using C minor and then A minor. I'm going to double this to violin 2 staccato, same pitch, so we get a bit more attack when hearing the riff. Now I'm going to do flutes and oboes in one go. This is just chromatic planing from C minor, B flat minor and back up in triads, and a similar pattern for A minor. But I'm now going to split the triads so the flutes get the top note and the oboes the lower two. For some accents, I'm using muted trumpets. And finish off with a sprinkle of Tubular Bell magic on the beat. And there you have it, a bit of fantasy tension in less than 5 minutes. I'll play it as an outro so you can hear it without the click track. Don't forget, a like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.